dishwasher twice.
This is the second time she's going into the dishwasher.
Yep. She watched one of our previous videos. She was in the dishwasher then
Oh my god.
as well. So
Really?
she's really
Really? Now you can see your butt.
Oh, jeez.
What's in there? It's just a dishwasher. Yeah, like what? Yeah, she's just checking it out.
Curious.
I got separators in my mouth, so I might sound a little
Spacers.
different.
Spacers.
Spacers.
Expander.
Expanders. What is it called? But yeah, I got those, so my voice sounds probably a little bit more. Look at this cat. Yeah. Anyway, she's exploring the dishwasher again. Look at this. It's so funny.
She
Wait,
might actually
Mom,
lay down.
Mom.
She might lay down.
Is she gonna lay down?
Look,
Nah.
look at her tail.
How is that laying down?
Well, look at her tail.
Yeah, Mom
What
just
is it?
loaded the dishwasher.
It
And
looks
now
really
she's
disgusting.
decided to go in there.
She's on the swing.
English cat.
We have a swing in our house, and we also have rings.
Oh, you sniffing.
You probably seen the swing because go check out our video.
I don't
Where
even
we
know if
put-
we posted that.
Yes, we did.
But
we did.
anyways, we're out.
Go check out our video where Dove was in the swing. Oh, and
Oh,
when
she's
she was in
coming
the
out.
garbage.
Oh yeah, that one is so funny. That's
Yeah,
only
the
like,
garbage one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
and
here she comes.
and we are gonna be
Watch your mouth
posting.
say.
And we're gonna be posting a new music video.
The wet food song, so stay
Yes.
tuned for that. And she's out, so there's nothing more to see except for that little thing that goes in the dishwasher. So bye.